When the world's mining industry turned to larger, more productive shovels in the mid-1980s, only one supplier was there with an 85-ton payload electric mining shovel designed from the ground up to three-pass load the new generation of 240 to 255-ton payload trucks. That supplier was Marion. Since 1986, the Marion 301M has been operating in some of the largest, toughest mines around the world. The first two went to work in a world-class iron ore mine in Western Australia. Others now handle tough jobs in some of the largest coal mines in the Powder River Basin of the western U.S. Remove overburden in the harsh climate of northern Canada, and work in several large Australian coal mines. The 301M continues to prove its worth. The design of the 301M incorporates a host of advanced features that enable it to be more productive and reliable. For example, planetary drives on all motions provide efficient power. They are more compact, lighter weight, and easier to service with plug-in replacement gear cases. The 301M is the only shovel that uses them on all motion drives. One of the keys to keeping a shovel running in harsh mining conditions is its lower frame and propel. The 301M features a rugged lower frame with bolt-on crawlers. The drive sprockets are elevated to eliminate digging forces and steering loads. The pitch-seeking sprockets allow the 301M to operate with over 1 inch of pitch extension in the crawler shoes. The 301's dual motor lower frame propel provides skid, differential, and pivot steering to meet any mine's travel requirements with ease. A complete drive is mounted on each crawler assembly, and gear cases are compact modular units with disc brakes mounted on each motor. The machinery house of the 301M is designed in distinct modules for fast, easy field assembly. They are shipped to the field complete, with all electrical cabinets pre-wired and tested. The operator's cab has been human engineered for safety, comfort, and productivity. Operating controls are conveniently positioned with joysticks for all primary motions. The front end of the 301M was computer designed to allow the dipper to cut through the bank with uniform cutting forces at all handle positions. The major front end structures have been subjected to finite element analysis to ensure they stand up to stresses and impacts of tough digging. This design allows the yoke block to be mounted on trunnions located on the boom, not on the shipper shaft. The shovel's boom point sheaves are identical pre-assembled modules that are mounted in anti-friction bearings and lubricated by the auto lube system. Another example of the machine's serviceability. The hoist, swing, and crowd machinery on the 301M maximize dipper fill while cycling in about 30 seconds or less. Driven by 2 DC motors, the rack and pinion crowd drive is electronically controlled to balance the load transmitted to the single handle rack. The hoist machinery provides optimum bale pull, generating greater cutting force for quicker dipper fill. Marion engineers designed the 301M with the highest swing torque in its class. Driven by 2 identical motors, the swing assemblies are compact modular units. The 301M incorporates the most advanced electrical drive system available, static power conversion. This system has distinct advantages over competitive DC or AC shovel drives. Motion drives utilize variable voltage DC with proven DC motors. Static reactive power compensation is used to regulate power factor during the digging cycle without the use of switch capacitors. Solid-state programmable logic controllers are used for auto lube, hoist, and crowd limits, and system diagnostics. The collector rings and rotoseal assembly are mounted above the center journal on the upper frame for easy, safe access for servicing. The 301M's electrical system features a sophisticated yet easy-to-use diagnostic system, beginning with the 18-point annunciator panel in the operator's cab and 72-point monitoring panel in the machinery house. This system allows for both speed and accuracy in troubleshooting potential electrical problems. LED lights and alarms alert the operator if a potential problem occurs. Maintenance personnel can trace the problem further through first fault diagnostics on the electrical cabinets. An event logger monitors over 150 separate events for additional diagnostic information. From its dipper teeth to its crawler shoes, the Marion 301M is designed and built to lower your operating cost. It is specifically designed from the ground up to match the new generation of large haul trucks. The first 301M has logged more than 20,000 operating hours. And another 301M, operating in tough digging conditions, produced more than 2 million bank cubic yards in a single month, or more than 1.5 million cubic meters. Backed by more than a century of shovel experience, the Marion 301M is ready to meet your mine's toughest challenge.